guys already know what's going on. We're gonna do a little unboxing here, and yep, you read it right. Weld Performance. I ordered 2 wheels, but for some odd reason, only one showed up. So we'll just open this one up until the other one shows up, and then we'll get them mounted on, see how they fit, and we'll take it from there. All right, so here we go. I kind of pre-opened the box already so you wouldn't have to go through the hassle of opening it on camera. Here we go, we got some stickers. It's pretty sweet. But let's get to the main part. This box is pretty good. Okay, another little area. Oh man, here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is just beautiful. Wow. Now these are the Weld Venturas. I got these in the 18 by 10. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but this black little finisher is beautiful. Man, can I wait to get these mounted? I have to get it out the box so I can just see it a little bit better, but this is a very wide wheel. This is a 18 by 10, 5X 114.3, backspace of 6.625. They said it should be a really good fit. Because you guys know I do have the rear Brembos, but they said that even with those, these should clear it very well. So I'm just excited to get these mounted on and see how they fit. But I want you guys to tell me, what do you guys think about these wheels? Do you think that I should get a different color, a different set, or what? Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. I still got a little time to return them if you guys think I should get something else. So you guys let me know what I should do. All right, and just like that, the other wheel has arrived. It didn't take that long, literally came the next day. Guess we can still unbox it and look at it. Oh, I mean, come on. Look at that. Beauty. All right, so now we're just gonna load this up and take it to the tire place tomorrow and get it mounted, see how it fits over the brakes. All right, so here we are. We are all loaded up. The weld is in the back, ready to get mounted on. I just need you guys' honest opinion. So I sent this wheel to a lot of people in the group chat, and they said that the wheel would not look good off of, can't even see it, off of the blue brakes, and also of the Vapor Blue Metallic. What is you guys' honest opinion? Do you think that this weld wheel here is gonna overpower the color of the car or the brakes? I don't know. Me personally, I think it's gonna look pretty good. Let me guys know what you think. All right, off to the tire store. All right, so you guys seen it. So tell me, honest opinion, what do you think? Is it a go? Is it a no? Just, I mean, what do you guys think? Me personally, I think once he put those on the cart, they looked really, 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 really good to me. Then once we get the front runners, I believe this combo, man, it will be just ridiculous. So some of you might say, oh my gosh, why are you buying all these, these race wheels and you don't even have no performance parts of the car yet? But if you guys continue watching the video, I'll explain all of that. So just keep watching, I'll tell you about it. So as you guys can see here, Procharger has finally released some teasers for the kit. And in my honest opinion, I think this kit is going to be very, very, very nice. I did reach out to them and get on the wait list. They said that the kit should be available within the next 2 weeks. I believe that's what they said. It is what, October 6th when I asked that. So not too long ago. So we just got to wait. Now, one of the reasons why I want to go with a Procharger setup is because the intake manifold remains. With the Whipple, they got to remove it. And I love the way that the dual throttle body intake looks. So I just always wanted to keep that. And then on the other hand, it still retains the dual throttle bodies, but it goes into one single blade on the Whipple. I mean, I've had the Whipple before. I know it's instant work, it's very, very nice. But on the other hand, I just wanted to switch it up a little bit, My plans for this car, as you guys can see, I have the welds. We're going to do headers. We're going to do E85 once that does become available. It's just going to be a full bolt-on blower car. So the question is, if you were in my position and you had to choose either one of these two systems, which one would it be and why? Let me know your opinions in the comment section below. And like always, comment, like, and subscribe. Till next time, guys.